the best self-cut tutorials out there. Today I will show you how to cut your own hair straight. So hello beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more. For more precision, I will cut my hair dry. Hair is very damaged and very thin. Look at this. Oh my god. I need cut my hair, yes. I straighten my hair every day, so hair looks like very thin. Look at hair by side and look at hair back side. Hair looks like straight. Just I think my hair needs more care, so I decided to cut them today. I'm not professional, just a self haircut will help me to save some money. You have to comb your hair really well before start. Part your hair down the middle and bring these two parts together at the front. Tie them. Take your comb and using your fingers as a guide. Take your scissors and using your fingers as a guide again, You will going to cut a straight line. I don't like my hair straight on the front, around my face. That's why I cut my hair this way. Brush your hair one more time. We will brush hair after every step. I cut my hair dry, that's why I brush my hair very well. And as I said before, I use my fingers as a guide. So you will going to cut a straight line now. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel for more. I tie one part of my hair. I use this part like a guide to cut the second part. I want to do this video shorter, so that's why I will not show you how I cut the second part. Just you understand that you use the first part of your hair as a guide and you cut your hair straight like these two parts will be on the same line, like here now. So brush your hair. You can see this haircut looks straight at the front. And my hair looks like a little bit rounded from the back, but I don't like my hair completely straight. So if you bring your hair to the front, it looks straight. Now I will wash and straighten my hair. If you want to see how I wash and straighten my hair, subscribe my channel and I will show you how I wash my hair in the next video. I will remind you to like, share and subscribe my channel for more. If you want to see a video where I straighten my hair, you can find it in my next videos. Remember, I'm not professional, just I get my hair back rounded, and if I look at them at the front, my hair is straight. So this way I like to cut my hair. I hope you will like it too. See you!